What's going on, people? It's your boy Richard here. I'm just doing a quick 5-minute trade on um, my Nadex account. As you can see, I'm up $90 on this trade. Came down. That's GBPUSD. I got it at 1.4209. Stay below that. It's at 1.42066. I'm making $44 per trade. Of course, you know there's a fee on there of $2, so it's $42 times 4. So I should make around about $168 when this trade wins, which is not bad at all. The account will sit there around about $612, something like that. So as you can see, I'm up $140. Waiting for this trade to end. You gotta kind of make sure it doesn't like just rockets up sometimes, because sometimes it does that. So you want to look at. So this is actually a really good profit, just to pull the profit. I'm gonna stay in the trade and see how this pans out. I'm almost basically at Mike's profit when it comes to just as you see the market values that went $6.50. So I'm really killing this trade right now. So I'm just waiting for this to end. Put this fan at the bottom of the floor. That's kind of loud. I want you to hear that in the video. But yeah, this is something that the team's doing. We're sitting here trading Nadex. I have a lot of people asking me how I'm doing these 5-minute trades. We do have a certain strategy that we've been using. Let's see. This thing just rocketed up, just like I thought. Seven seconds, about 6 seconds. So I'm only going to win this by 1 pip, but that's still okay. Yeah, that shot up at the last minute. You see that? And yeah, I kind of watch that when the trades are happening. But basically, we're doing 1 trade a day. So if you wonder what we're doing 1 trade a day. We're practicing our 5-minute trades. We do have certain ways that we train to do these trades, but that's only for because there's 3 traders on the team. It's only for a team that's participating with us and wealth generators. So and they're for active team members. So if you want to learn to do these trades and learn how to leverage a system and creating an income, then you can email me and ask me questions, and I can tell you exactly what we're doing, how we're doing it, because this is not something that we're doing on individual basis. It's not something that's individualized. Yes, it is about you, but at the same time, we're working with a team of people. So we can't just concentrate on one person, because there's so many people on the team that are single people, but we're all basically doing the same thing. We're all trying to create wealth. That's why we work together. For people that may not want to work with other people and stuff like that, there's plenty of other videos on YouTube and stuff like that that you could kind of get how to trade, find out how to trade. It's mostly about practice. So you need to sit down and you need to practice on your individual trading and not really jump into these accounts trying to get rich quick. It's not about that. It's not about getting rich quick. Because if you consistently win, say you only do 3 trades a week, and you start off with a $250 account, but your win rate is around about, say, 90%, 95%. Within 10 months, well, not 10 months, but 6 months, you're probably made over $10,000 in 6 months. You're made over $10,000 extra, whatever you're trying to do. You should be working at your job or whatever you're doing to make money and not relying on this. You shouldn't rely on this until it gets to a certain amount. And you need to build to get to that amount first. It takes patience to get to that point. That's one thing that we do teach on the team. You have to have patience, and you can't be greedy. If you have greed and you're not patient, you'll lose every time. You just have to realize that. This is not about getting rich quick. This is something that you build over time. And it's a very short time when compared to working at a job, especially blue collar work. So it's like I said, if in 6 months you should be able to have earned $10,000. If you earn $10,000 and you're risking $1,000 per trade now, say you're making $25 per trade. So you divide that thousands by 75. So you're basically going to be buying 13 lots or 13 contracts. And if you look at the $25, take away the $2 fee, you're making $23 per contract. You got 13 contracts, so 13 times 23. So you're making $299 per trade. If you're trading 3 days a week, not 5, but just say you're trading 3 times a week, times that by 3. You're making $897 a week, times that by 4, $35.88. You see how that is? So if you have a $10,000 account, you're making 35% a month. And we do that for 3 more months, which brings you 9 months. You made another $10,000. So you should be sitting at basically roughly $20,000 in 9 months. So same thing going on. So say you're 13 times 2, so now you're buying 26 contracts. Same thing, $23 per contract. Making $598 per trade. Times that by 3 trades a week. That's $1,794 a week. Times that by 4, $7,176 a month. So in 9 months, you go from making whatever amount of money. You start with a $250 account. You build your account to over $20,000, and you're making $70,000 a month. It takes time to do this, and you have to have patience. You have to know what you're doing, and then you can't be greedy. So that's why we're doing 1 trade a day. You look for the best trade you can get in for that day, and once you finish the trade and you win the trade, you're done for the day. You don't do anymore. But people think, well, there's more trading opportunities. Of course there is. But that's where your greed is kicking in at. You don't want to miss other opportunities or whatever. But like I said, if you just look at the numbers, you 3 good trades a week, that's 12 trades a month. For 9 months, you'll end up making $7,000 a month anyway. So why rush it? Take your time and learn how to trade. If you want to learn how to trade the group, email me and we could talk about how you could join the team. Of course, you'll have to join Wealth Generators, and there is a monthly fee in Wealth Generators for the membership fee. But the thing about it is the membership and using the products actually make you money. It actually makes you money. So by using the Wealth Generator products and utilizing our team strategies, you'll make money. And if you continue to maximize the products of Wealth Generators and your own trading, once you start learning how to trade from the team, you will make a considerable amount of money, more than if you would just did this by yourself. So and that's it's not a guarantee, but it's just an observation that I made when dealing with the things that we're doing. Anyway, that's all I want to say. Thanks for watching my video, and let's all keep making money. All right, peace.